In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer crypto from exchange to MetaMask. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly transfer any crypto asset from an exchange to MetaMask. For this video, I chose to use Binance as an example. However, any exchange will work. You have to follow the same general steps and you will be able to get this done. So open your preferred exchange where you have your assets, and if you are using Binance as well, you have to tap on wallets at the bottom right corner of the screen on the app and then go to withdraw. If you are doing this through the website on a PC or laptop, you simply have to sign into your account on the website and find the withdraw option. And like I mentioned, the same thing can be done with any other exchange. Just locate the withdraw function. Now, you will be asked if you want to send via crypto network or email, phone, or ID. Choose crypto network. This is going to be the preferred way to do this. Now, you will be able to input the necessary details, the main one being the address. This is the address that you will be sending the crypto assets into. So essentially your MetaMask address. If you don't know how to acquire this, I'm going to show you in a bit. But after this, you will have to include the withdrawal amount and then where you will be sending the funds from. So usually your primary wallet. You will see the amount available and then the amount that you will receive and the network fee that might be included. If everything looks okay, you can go ahead and choose the withdraw option. Now, if you still need to acquire this address, you will be able to do it by opening MetaMask, and when you choose any of your accounts, you will see it displayed right over here at the top. And by tapping on this button, you will immediately copy it. So all that you have to do is open the app, open your account, and then tap the option here using the extension. So whenever you copy the wallet address, paste it here and you will be good to go. Now you can use the withdraw function and receive your assets on MetaMask. You can send a small amount first if you want to confirm that everything was set up properly, and then send the rest. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer crypto from exchange to MetaMask. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.